Ryan. I'm chapter president of Pi Beta Phi, and welcome to our house. Hi, I'm Natalie. I'm vice president of recruitment, and this is our pink room. So on this wall we have all of our founders. We were founded in 1867, and we were the first sorority to start the movement. Over here we have some of our chapter memorabilia, and we have a lot of our famous sisters over here as well. And this room, as a chapter, we like to use as a hangout space. And over here is our living room. This is another great hangout spot in the house. And farther down we have more Greek Week awards, chapter awards, and more chapter memorabilia. So over here we have an award for excellent chapter service. And on our mantle, which is our more fun awards, we have our Greek Week 2019 award, as well as our excellent chapter management award. This is our dining room. This is where our girls like to eat, do homework. Sometimes we have study sessions over here. And in this corner is an awesome little breakfast nook where girls also like to do their work. And over here is our beautiful kitchen.
Hi, I'm Lena. This is my roommate Emily. We're both sophomores, and we're so excited to meet the class of 2024.
So up here is our purple room. This is another great hangout spot and another place to do homework, watch TV. And sisterhood is really important to our chapter. So this was a sisterhood event that we did. Each girl in the chapter got to design and draw on their own square. And over here is one of our quads in the house.
Hey guys, I'm Hayden. This is my room. I live here by myself, so I don't have a roommate. Right now I have the two beds separated, and then the two desks, which are both mine, and then my closet is right there. And then when you walk out of my room, you get to the quad area, and you turn this way. This one's my sink, and then we have the toilet area right here, and now I'm gonna hand you off to Kate and Lainey so they can explain their side.
Hi, I'm Lainey. I'm a junior. I'm a psychology major. This is the sink that Kate and I share, and then this is our shower.
I'm Kate, I'm a junior. I'm also the vice president of member experience. So then this is our room. Here's our closet that Lainey and I split. And then this is my side of the room, and Lainey's on this side. And yeah, that's about it. Both the rooms are identical. They're just on opposite sides. We share all the main parts, but yeah, we all really enjoy living here together. So good time.
We can't wait to meet you all!
Here are chapter composites, and now we're gonna go take the elevator down to the basement. So this is our basement. Community outreach and philanthropic service is really important to us. And over here is our chapter room.
So in the chapter room, we hold weekly meetings on Sunday, and we also hold a lot of our events like sisterhoods, exchanges, other things like that. This is also a good place to study. We have a place where we have a nice TV to practice speeches or presentations. We also have the study chairs for nice study time, and this is also home to one of our favorite photo ops.
Here you can find our international magazine to read, flip through, and then this book right here was a gift from the alums to welcome us into this beautiful home that was built 4 years ago in 2016. And right here is our craft room. And this room is really neat because this is our craft room where the girls can paint, get messy, doesn't matter. And as you can see on our walls, these are all the Greek Week banners which we have made. This one, I believe, won as well as the one last year. And then this is also a Greek Week banner which we made in 2016. This is our patio. Girls love to come out here to grill if it's really nice. We hold exchanges out here and our bid day parties and cookout. So this is our awesome grill.
Thank you for watching our house tour.
We can't wait to meet you all.